In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing your Epson L1800 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson L1800 support. One of the best results should be an Epson L1800 support page. Go ahead and open that up. It should be on epson.edu at the top. Scroll down and select the Epson product setup link on this page, and then select the download button that corresponds directly underneath the setup here. And then once it's downloaded on your computer, open up the file. It should be a verified publisher from Epson. And then just go ahead and proceed with the installer here. And this installer will have options to select wired or wireless printing options, as well as different optional features you can enable or disable through the installer. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.